Hello student, let us discuss the next section of this chapter, data handling, that is representation of data on a bar graph and the probability. In this section we will discuss how to represent the bar graph on the graph sheet, and first one is bar graph. Bar graph is data represented in a bar. Suppose a little boy has many blocks of different colors. He is just counting how many blocks he has of each color. There are several colors of block, that is red, blue or green. So if I asking that without counting the block, can you tell us which color blocks do you have the most and which color blocks do you have the least? For answer this question, he need to counting all the blocks separately. So he is thinking which color blocks do he have most and which color blocks have least, and I am asking him to stack all the red blocks, blue blocks and green blocks one over the other. Then he will get the answer. And observe the three stacks of the block, and now it is easy to answer which color blocks he have the most and which color blocks he have the least, because blue color have the highest bar, so height is more than the other two, so blue color have the most blocks and green is the least. Here is the representation in horizontal line, and x-axis is there, and in vertical y-axis there, and in x taken colors and the y-axis taken numbers of block, and divide into some section from 0 to 10, and each sections are of same size, means each sections have same distance. And in x-axis red blocks are colors are represent in x-axis red, blue or green, red, green and blue, taking colors at x-axis. So on x-axis, so red blocks have 6 blocks have in red, so there are 6, 5 blocks of green and 8 blocks of blue are there. So this is the representation of the data on the bar graph. Here it is the representation. Height of blue color is high, that is 8. So blue color blocks he have the most, and height of green is least. So green color blocks he has least. Now he got the answer. The data in the representing graph, this is a graph sheet taking horizontal line as x-axis and vertical as y-axis. The intersection point is called O and origin, and the small unit 1 cm is one small unit. Take the unit as per your requirement. Or next is probability. Probability is what? It is basically the chance. In a rainy season, there may be a chances of rain and not Similarly, if I tossed a coin, either I will get head or tail. So there are two possible outcomes. So possible outcomes is here two, head or the tail. Similarly, suppose I rolled a dice. Outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total outcomes or possible outcomes is here 6. Because dice has 6 faces, so probability formula is number of favorable outcomes by number of possible outcomes. This is the formula to find out the probability. Question is, when we toss a coin, what is the probability of getting head? Probability, number of favorable outcomes by number of possible outcomes. So head is 1 time appears, so 1 by 2. What is the probability of getting tail? Formula, number of favorable outcomes by number of possible outcomes. Tail is appear 1 at times once, so 1 by total possible outcome 2, head or tail, so answer is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the probability of getting tail when we tossed a coin. Then if I rolled a dice, what is the probability of getting 2? The number of favorable outcomes is 1 here and total possible outcomes 6. Then probability is here favorable outcomes by possible outcomes, that is 1 by 6. Why it is 1? Because 2 appear in once in a dice, so probability 1 by 6. Question, what is the probability of getting prime numbers in a dice? Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, so number of favorable outcomes 3 here and possible outcomes 6. So probability is favorable outcomes by possible outcomes, so 3 by 6. When you simplify 3 by 6, or simplest form is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the probability of getting prime numbers. So that's all for today. Thank you.